Hi guys, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, in this video, I will be teaching you how to create a project called Resume Optimizer using generative AI, and I will be using models such as OpenAI model and Gemini model. Either of this I will be testing out in this project. So, without getting any delay, let's get started. So first, you need to create API keys in your uh, OpenAI site platform by creating API key in platform, and also in AI Studio, Google AI Studio, you need to create Gemini API key. I have already created those API keys and stored in this .env file. So this is the first step you need to do. So first, I will initiate a library environment using UV editor, UV library manager. So I will init using this command. So this will create some files in your folder, and the dependencies are installed in this pyproject.toml file. So first, I will add some important libraries to this dependencies like OpenAI, and then I need a Streamlit to create user interface, and I have to deal with resume PDFs, so I will be using PyMu PDF library, and then I will use .env to uh, use API keys from env variable, env files. Then okay, let's enter this command. So this will add all the dependencies to our pyproject.toml file. So these are four libraries for this I will be using. Then now I will create a new file called app.py. So in this, let me first import Streamlit library. Then I have to take API key from .env file. So first, I will use OS library to navigate to .env file, and then I will import .env and use this .env the code auto generated, and I have to store this in API key variable. Now I will create a class to generate the response, generate optimized resume. Then I will initialize some variables, self API key. I think this is enough auto generated code. I will initialize API key and then create a client for OpenAI model. Then I'll create a function called generate response. Self comma I will take one prompt as parameter, and then I will use response to call GPT 3.5 turbo model, and also one more parameter I need is role. Here I will use not user but role variable, and it should be defaultly initiated as user. So this is enough to generate a response, and I will return this response to this function. Then the third function I need is to extract text from the PDF. So with feeds, here feeds is a library that is used to deal with PDF files. It is the alias name for PyMu-PDF. We have already added in our toml file. So this is used to deal with the PDF files. First I will extract the PDF text from the PDF file. So need to create a text variable empty text string, and so I will use this auto generated code. So I think this is enough for our basic class. Now I will create an object for this generate optimized resume class, and create a title to this application using Streamlit object as resume optimizer. I'll create one file uploader. This is used to upload our PDF file in the Streamlit user interface. So this is what I need, and also one more variable called job description. So this is our code. I will give some detailed text here. Paste your job description here, and I will use another key as job description here as well, key as resume. So now I will create a button in Streamlit using st.button generate optimized resume if file uploader is not none. So if we have uploaded some PDF file, then we need to extract the text from that PDF file. Dot extract. So this is here we are calling this function extract text from PDF. This will extract text and return in the text format. Now I will be using a multi-line string to create a prompt that should be passed to our LLM. I will create a detailed prompt. You are a career coach consultant your task is to optimize the resume for the given job description. I will pass resume text that we have extracted using this above function, and also the job description we have pasted in the text area of job description. So then we will suggest that LLM to generate bullet points for each section of the resume, like A, work experience, then B, skills, then C, projects. I think these three sections are enough. So this is the prompt we are sending to our LLM, and we have also initialized a default value of role as user. So here I will use role as career coach consultant. Then we will call the generate response function inside the class using this object, generate response prompt comma role st dot write. We will write the response generated by LLM onto the screen. Okay. I think this is basic code we need to create a resume optimizer. Here, let me overview over the code. We have created a class that will take the API key and assign the API key to a variable, and also created a client of OpenAI. We are using the model GPT 3.5 Turbo and generating response using this function. And one more, as we are uploading the PDF files to our user interface, we are extracting the text from that PDF to pass it to our LLM. Here, this is our user interface code. This will create a title on the application, and this is file uploader element, job description area, this is button, and this is the main logic that is containing prompt. And then after calling the response function, we will write it onto the screen. So this is our basic template. So I think the application is ready. Let me run this code once. If there are any errors, let me fix this in the future. So how to run means you will use this command uv run, as it is a Streamlit application, Streamlit run app.py. So this way it will be calling our project. our local URL is created and it launched the browser, and here we will see the browse files and the text area. Yeah, it's working. First I will upload my resume and then open the Naukri portal and take a sample job to copy the job description and paste it in this block and click on generate optimized resume. Here it generated one error such as no such file AI engineer Vijay. So it is not taking the path of our PDF file. Let me fix this easily using the agent. I will copy this error and go to the anti-gravity IDE, paste it over here and pass it to the agent. It will suggest us and fix the error. Let's wait, it will take some time to fix the error. So the error here is we are using a different code that is accepting the path. We need to use this PDF file dot read in this format. I will accept this code. Okay, then I think it is fixed. Let me rerun this code by first refresh the code, refresh this page, browse and select your resume, paste your job description, go to Naukri portal, take a sample job and paste job description and generate optimized resume. Still there is another error. Here you see that you are exceeded with the current quota. This means it is not allowing the user to use the model as it is a paid model. I will use some alternative model from Gemini. So I will copy this error and give it to the agent, and I will say that use Gemini 2.5 flash model instead of OpenAI. I have already included Gemini API key created in AI Studio, Google AI Studio inside this .env file. So I can use this Gemini 2.5 flash model directly now. So give it with this error, it will give you the solution. In order to use this Gemini model, I have to include this library. You can see it here, Google Generative AI. This library has been included in the dependencies. Okay, it is still working on. So see, it has made some changes. It has removed the OpenAI dependency from the code. I will accept it. It is giving Google Gemini GenAI library, and it is also initiating a 1.5 flash model. I will accept it first, and I want to use 2.5 flash, so I am changing it to 2.5 flash. And also it is just changing the code for generate response one, as it is GPT 3.5 turbo model. I am accepting it. Then here I have created object for generate optimized resume, and here accept. Here also we have given prompt to generate response object. Okay, I think this should fix the code. Let me rerun this code. Open the browser, refresh the page, it will load the new code, and attach the resume. Go to your job description, copy paste it, then generate optimized resume. It should take some time to generate response. Yeah, you can see it has given me all the optimized resume in bullet points, including everything what I have covered in my resume: professional summary, technical skills, work experience, and projects, certifications, education. And here it have given me the suggestions, key changes and why, like skills, work experience, projects. This is our suggestions. Based on these suggestions you can change your resume and optimize it for that job description. Okay, we can even improve this UI based on the agent. Just ask it to improve your UI. Improve the project UI to modern and minimal. Yeah, I have given this prompt to agent. It will re-edit this code to apply some stylings so that our UI will look even better. We don't need to do it from scratch, as there is agent to do this job for us. The first thing here important is we need to create a basic template, what our idea is. Then we can improve the code by just giving the prompts. Here this is creating some CSS file, style.css. I have accepted it, and it is applying that styling to file uploader and job description, and as well as button, and it has improved prompt also in detailed manner, so I will accept that. And output has been formatted in a proper way to display on the screen. Let's save this. It has created a style.css file. Okay, then our project is ready. Now I will refresh this page. You can see this is our old UI. I will just refresh this page. See, it has created some new UI. We can use this. I will upload my PDF resume, copy the job description and paste it. Right click, copy. Okay, it is pasted. Click on the optimize. It is taking some time, so we need to be patient. It has generated, but the text color was not visible. We can change it by prompting the agent, or simply, if you know the CSS, you can edit it by yourself. uh, I am not going to edit this in this video, so it's a easy task. You can do it, or you can ask the agent to do it. I showed you the basic way how to create a generative AI project in our IDE. So this way we can create a AI based resume optimizer project using generative AI. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.